Hey everyone, it's Luke with Marine Tech Detailing. Working on this Malibu wake setter 2015. Polishing the hull, and of course on the black hull we've got water spots. I went over these with a light polish and it just wasn't enough to get through them. So instead of just spinning forever with a buffer, I'm going to show you a way to get rid of these using a wheel cleaner. It's a acidic wheel cleaner. It's going to be this one, Meguiars wheel brightener. This is definitely an off-label use of this product, but it is safe on gel coat, and you can use it on clear coat too if you're real careful. Don't do it in the sun. Don't put it on a hot panel. You definitely don't want to put this on glass. This will etch your glass, but it is the best water spot remover that I've ever used. It will eat through these things pretty quick, and then you can just do your light polish after. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's not too hard, but I just want to warn you, if you're gonna do this, be careful. Always do a test spot. Always test spot. So I'm gonna get the camera set up, and then I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these. Okay, Meguiars wheel brightener. Mix this as standard dilution, 4:1. Stuff's great. It's gonna clean factory OEM clear coated wheels and stuff. Really good, really easy. So this is what I do. Cool panel, we're in the shade. Towel. Soak the towel. Gonna get it wet, not dripping, but get a good amount on there. Let's start working it on the surface. Don't do too big of a spot. You gotta be careful when you're using this product. And you can actually, when you get your face up in there, you can actually see the rings of the water spot. And you just keep agitating, keep it wet, and watch them disappear. It's unsafe on these like chromy stuff. You get the water spots off like this stainless steel band on the rub rail. So just keep your eye on it. Move it around. Do it for a little while, and then we're going to neutralize it. You can neutralize it a couple different ways. You can just hit it with some straight all-purpose cleaner or degreaser. So that will be, since this is an acid, you're going to treat it with an alkaline, which is what all-purpose cleaner and degreaser is, and that will neutralize. Or you can rinse it away. What I'm going to do, my always on hand optimum no rinse. Just gonna rinse it off. You just hit it with a hose too. Just make sure you dilute the acid enough to where you don't leave any on the surface. You don't want to leave the surface with an acid, because it can pit and corrode you away over time. This isn't like a crazy super strong acid, but it is an acid. Drying towel. Okay. So O&R rinse. and we dried it. It's still a little wet, but no more water spots. I'll hit it again. Small light applications, it's the way to go. But that pretty much got rid of everything. So I'll go over it again and then we'll be good. And then just do your polish. There you go. Off-label use of Meguiars wheel brightener for water spot removal. Alright, thanks for watching.